Alrighty, guys, it is 3:30 this Monday, June 8th. And we're getting the weakness now. Afternoon weakness, early morning strength, bounce in the morning, pretty darn good one at that. And now we're getting the weakness. So we'll see how bad it's going to get, but we're heading back down again. If they support, they have taken out, this is the ES, they have taken out this area now, the 7420s, trending below it. So right now we can head back down towards the lows. So it's no real. We have the London low here at the 7400s, but they've been building value here around the 7440s for a while. Now they're taking out this in the afternoon. So I'm thinking afternoon weakness. I mean, if they get up above that 7420 pretty darn quick, maybe we'll hold on to the gains. But right now, looks to me like we may see some weakness in the afternoon here in the last half hour. So we'll see if it's going to how bad that's going to get. But the whole bounce this morning was pretty darn good, and then it felt like that. I mean, usually it's called a dead cat bounce because it's just an initial reaction, the bounce of the low, and the question is really if they get any continuation. Right now, it looks doubtful that they could still get up above that 7420. They can still hold the line, so we'll see how that goes. But now it looks like they're trying to get back up above that 7420. I would look for a potential short here, though. That's kind of the trade I would look for right now. Rotations back down again. And if they trade back up, maybe I'll stick on the go back range band on this guy. I mean, I would be very surprised if we get a big rally into the close. I mean, I guess it could happen, but that would be pretty spectacular. So it's been pretty volatile the whole trading day, and the only trades I took was two on the Nasdaq, one immediate loser, and then another one when I made it back a little bit later. So those are the two trades. They were over here. That's one of the trades I took, and I mean, so you can see on the way up, that first run up here when it stalled, got short on the way down, got nailed on that one. That was like a short and then a high tick kind of a trade, kind of very frustrating. The next trade was when after they failed to take it higher, a little bit worse trade location, but I managed to get enough back to get up in the positive on that one. But that's it, and I stopped after that. I just felt too much volatility, and that's not conducive to be too active on it. The whole thing afterwards has been pretty much sideways action. I was getting a bit of weakness in the afternoon. They've been down here at the low at the 370s. So we'll see if they can get if they're going to be able to retrace or not. Right now, it looks like they're trying. It's anyone's guess. Nasdaq is a little bit wider, a lot more range than that guy. But I would say that we start depending on how they close right now. We have this low at the 370s and the 420s. Right now they're above them, but if these two come out before they close, it has to be on the short side of this. Right now I'm still range bound on it, given the a little bit of weakness into that half hour, the 12:30 half or the 3:30 half hour. Now we're getting into that last part of the day. We'll see if they can hold the line or not, but. I think chances are for maybe one more weakness is pretty good, given what we've seen all afternoon. He has been slowly trending lower. Sloppy, but trending lower. The 2 o'clock hour didn't do much on the ES. On the Nasdaq, same story, a sideways action. Just getting this action right now after that 3 o'clock hour kicked in, a little bit of weakness. But I'm looking for continuation to the downside right now. And if I see that, maybe try another short trade. But it's right now we are in a we are not looking too strong, put it that way. And on the news side of things, tomorrow we get small business optimism, international trade, existing home sale. That's about it. 3-year note auction at one. So not that much news to drive the market tomorrow. So we'll see how much more we're going to get. Now, the interesting part of this week, I mean, we have the CPI Wednesday, we have PPI on Thursday, but they also have this SpaceX IPO on Thursday. That's going to be crazy. That's going to be interesting to see how that thing shakes out. But right now, that's what it looks like. Bond market, as I said in the last update, we were looking at potential buying opportunity down here at the lows. And that would have worked for a small trade, as you can see. They were drifting higher up to that 19, so from 13 to 19. I don't think they have a tradable ticket, so the best you can have done is 18. So that was that would have worked for a small drift. But if you didn't take a profit there, and you can see how slow this stuff is, you were right back here to break even and a potential tick of a loss. So overall, difficult trading on the bonds. Initially, a little bit of a move, but not really a lot of action. It is kind of pointed lower though, so I would say that we are in a spot here where we're going to start off on the short side and see if you can run it down and test these lows at those 6. As long as they stay below that 11.16, I would stay on the short side on the bonds. No trades on the cryptos today. I'm going to show you those. Then back to the ES. And again, so these two ES. The ES is back below the 74.20s. So watch for that potential short trade going into the close here. It could start developing. We'll see. But I would give it just a little bit of room. As long as I hold below 74.20, that I think we have a good chance of it. NASDAQ, same story there. Bounced pretty good off the mean. Let's see if they're going to try to take this lower going into the close. Righty, guys. We'll wrap it there. See you back in the morning, and then we'll go at this again. Not much used to drive the market tomorrow, so it's pretty anemic, but we'll see what we can do with it. Righty, guys. Later.